Hello students, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5 Lesson 10 Measurement. Students, let's continue Lesson 10 Measurement. We had finished with length. Now we move on to our next, that is weight. Weight is mass of any body. It is calculated in weight, and the standard unit of mass or weight is gram. The standard unit of length was meter and the standard unit of weight is gram. And the rule is similar. We have all the other units: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. The biggest unit is kilogram, the smallest being milligram. And you know this also, it same rule applies for these also. There is a difference of 10 units per grams, and when you go from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, yes, you multiply, and when you go from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you divide. The basic rules are same. So let's start with the exercise to understand further. So let's start exercise 10b. Tanu's weight is 45,000 grams. What is the weight in kg? Now grams we have to convert to kg. So you're going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So what do? We divide. So you know 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, because 1 kg is 1000 grams. So when we do the other way round, we do it division. Now so 45,000 grams will be 45,000 upon 1000. So when I can cut off the zeros and my answer is 45 kg. So answer, Tanu's weight is, we have to find the answer in kg. So the Tanu's weight is 45 kg. Very easy one. On to the second one. Bali's books weighs 2 grams. What is the weight in milligrams? Now we have to convert grams to milligrams. Again, now you are going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. So what do? Yes, we will multiply. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So 2 grams will be 2 into 1000. We are multiplying because we are going from a bigger to a smaller unit. So that is 2000 mg or milligrams. So answer, Bali's books weigh 2000 mg. One, convert 40 mg to grams. Now we have to convert mg to grams. We did here grams to mg. We multiplied by 1000. Now we are going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. We will divide. Yes, so 1 mg is 1 upon 1000 grams. So 40 mg will be 40 upon 1000. Now how do we divide? Yes, when numbers have 3 zeros or a multiple of 10, we put a decimal point. So after how many places? 1, 2, 3. So already 2 places are there. One more place I will put a 0, put a decimal point and a 0. So 0.04 grams. We continue. Fourth one. Raj is 5 feet tall and weighs 47 kg. Ram is 5 feet tall and weighs 39,000 grams. Who is heavier and by how much? So now this 5 feet is just given. We don't have to do anything for that because we have to find the weight and compare the weight of both. Okay, so Raj is 47 kg and Ram is 39,000 grams. To compare, I have told you that we have to make the units similar. Either I convert this kg into grams or grams into kg. Let's convert the grams into kg. So first, Raj is 47 kg and Ram is 39,000 grams. Now I convert. Okay, so 1 gram is 1 upon 1000 kg. You are going from a smaller to a bigger unit, so you divide. So 39,000 8,000 grams will be 39,000 upon 1000. Now what do I do? Yes, I cut off the zero. So what is my answer? 39 kg. So now this is also equal to 39 kg. Now I got both my answers in kg. Can I compare? Who is heavier? Yes, Raj is heavier. By how much? 47 minus 39. 47 minus 39 is 8 kg. Now 8 kg can also be converted into grams. By how much? 8 into 8,000. 8,000 grams. So answer, Raj is heavier by 8 kg or 8,000 grams. Very easy sums. We continue with the fifth one. One biscuit weighs 3 grams. Find the weight of 1 dozen such biscuits. Very easy sum. Cost of 1 is given. You have to find for many. So you have to multiply. Now 1 dozen is equal to how much? Yes, 1 dozen is equal to 12 biscuits. Everybody knows this. So 1 biscuit weighs 3 grams. So 12 biscuits will weigh 1 too many, you will multiply. 3 into 12 is 36 grams. One more easy sum. So we write answer. The weight of 1 dozen biscuits is 36 grams.